Hello everyone, today we're going to make this delicious anda masala recipe. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. Blend 1 onion into a paste. Take 1/3 cup of coriander leaves and 1.5 tablespoon of grated coconut and blend them together. I have boiled 7 eggs. I'm keeping 5 whole and 2 I'm using egg yolk. The egg whites of those 2 eggs, you can chop them and add it to the gravy. Make small cuts on the egg. In a pan, add a little oil. To it, add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the eggs and fry them for 1 minute. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 6 to 7 curry leaves. Add the onion paste. Cook them for 2 minutes on a high flame. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste. Now we're going to cook the ginger, garlic, and onion paste for about 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything and cook on a medium flame, as you don't want to burn the masala. Now add the coriander and coconut paste. I'm also adding the egg yolks and mashing into the gravy. This really enhances the taste of your gravy. Cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding 1/4 cup of yogurt or dahi. Adding 1 cup of water. Adding the eggs, including any masala that is left in the pan. Cook for another 2 or 3 minutes and serve hot with roti, naan, rice, or bread. For more quick recipes, please subscribe to my channel.